Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. So first open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on your top right, then go to pages near the top. Once you're in here, just select the page you want to do this on and then switch at the bottom. So once you're on here, just click on the profile icon again on the top right and then click on Professional Dashboard again near the top. So once you're on here, just scroll down and underneath Tools you should see Page Access. So select that and then you'll have the option for people with access to Facebook. Click on Add New. This will just let you know any actions you take as this page, including when you check into a location, may be visible to anyone else who manages it. Anyone else with Facebook access will share the page experience, including newsfeed and notifications for this page. So if you're happy with that, select Next. And then you just have to search for the name or email address of the person you want to add. So I'll just type in any name here. So once you've selected the person, it will give you two options. So you can give access without full control, or you can also add full control. But just bear in mind, if you do this, anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from this page, including yourself, or delete the page. So just make sure you're comfortable with who you're going to give full control to. So you can just select that option if you want, and select Give Access. And then you'll just have to enter in your profile password and select Confirm. And then once that is done, they'll have 30 days to accept the invitation. And you'll also get the option to cancel the invitation if you wish to do so. So that's how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.